What is up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we are back with another brand new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can see your user ID on your Roblox. So every Roblox account has its own user ID, and every user ID is different from one another. So my friend has another user ID, I have another user ID, you have another user ID. It's gonna be different, all right? So don't expect you and your friend's user ID to be same. Everybody has a different user ID, all right? Now let me show you the way on how you guys can see your user ID. And yeah, your user ID is going to be a bunch of, random numbers. It's going to be nothing else than random numbers. So just keep that in mind, all right? Now to see that, before that, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, One to Step, for future videos related with Roblox like this, because we're going to be posting more videos of Roblox like this, all right? So first step, you want to go to roblox.com and log in into your account. How we can do that is go on your search engine and write Roblox. Now this can only be done in the browser version of Roblox. You cannot do it in the app version, alright? So you have to come to your browser and go on roblox.com and log in into your account. Once you log in into your Roblox account, you can click on this three line at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, you want to go on versus profile. Now once you go on profile, you need to wait for some time. Now this is not your user ID. This is a username, and this is also a username. Through these username, people can add you in Roblox. To see a user ID, over here on top of a URL, the number you see after user slash, so my case 279134947, yeah, that's my user ID. So to see your user ID, go to roblox.com, go to profile, and on top of your URL after user slash, the number is going to be your user ID, all right? So 279134947 is my user ID. So that's how we guys can check your user ID in Roblox. Now, hope you guys understand how you guys can see your user ID in Roblox. And yeah, these number are only your user ID. So the number between these two forward slashes is your user ID. This slash profile, it's not your user ID. These number is only your user ID. All right, so keep that in mind. Hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day and peace out.